How to start phlox seed. On the off chance that your West Coast garden could utilize some shading, one of the numerous phlox plant assortments may do the trap. Phlox species come in two assortments, tall developing and crawling. The tall developing species is perfect as a foundation in the garden, while the crawling assortment can be developed to shape a bright cover. The plants deliver star-molded blossoms that come in such hues as white, blue, red and purple, with a few species creating bicolored blooms. In the event that you want to begin your plants early, beginning them inside is perfect. 1. Start the phlox seed beginning procedure roughly 2 months previously the last high state in your general vicinity. 2. Select a holder to begin your seeds. Pick a seed raising plate with waste openings in the base. In the event that you are utilizing vacant yogurt containers or the base piece of a vacant drain container, physically make gaps in the base. 3. Wash your seed raising compartment. Add 1 section chlorine fade to 9 sections water and combine the fluids. Absorb the compartment the blend for 5 minutes and put it aside to air dry. 4. Fill the compartment with sodden gardening soil to inside 3/4 inch of the best. Softly push down on the dirt with your fingers so it sits immovably in the compartment. 5. Sow the seeds. Place the seeds on the dirt with a 1-inch remove between them. Sprinkle soil over the seeds. Go for a planting profundity of 1/8 inch. 6. Saturate the best layer of soil with warm water. Utilize a splash jug to saturate the dirt, this will keep the seeds in place and won't wash them away. 7. Cover the compartment with a reasonable plastic pack to enable the dirt to hold dampness. Seal the sack with a versatile band. Keep the plastic roughly 1 inch over the dirt surface. Stick a plant informal ID in the dirt to help hold the plastic up. 8. Place the compartment in a dull, warm territory of the house. Phlox seeds require a temperature of 65 F to sprout. Utilize a space warmer for extra warmth, or place a warming cushion under the seed raising holder. 9. Sit tight for the seeds to sprout. This can take somewhere in the range of 5 to 10 days. Check the dirt dampness consistently all through the growing time frame. Plan to keep the dirt sodden consistently. 10. Move the holder to a brilliant territory of the house. Expel the plastic from the compartment once the seeds begin sprouting. Place the compartment in a radiant window to open the seedlings to no less than 12 hours of light. Keep soaking the dirt as required. Things you will need: phlox seeds, seed raising compartment, chlorine dye, water, gardening soil, plant informal ID, splash bottle, plastic sack, versatile band, radiator, warming mat. Tips: transplant the seedlings to the garden after the last high state for your region. Space them 10 inches separated. For a West Coast plant, pick a phlox species that is solid to your USDA zone. Most species can be developed in USDA zones 7 and 8, and some can flourish in zone 9. The volcano phlox arrangement can even be developed in zone 10.